Today is December 3rd, 2024. I'm making a recording of this with a PuppyLinux F96-CE4.iso, and I'll leave a description as to where you can get this ISO. But the reason I'm making this is that recently my headset that I use to make YouTube videos broke. So what I ended up doing is getting this Logitech H111 headphone and a microphone combo, that all you have to do is just plug it into a headset on your laptop or computer. So but then you have to go to the PPA volume applet, which is in my case right here. So you just go ahead and left click on it and go to preferences and go to the configuration. So right now I'm using it, so make sure that it's not set in analog stereo output, because then you will not have a use of a microphone. So if you want to just duplicate what I do, is you have to make sure that it's on duplex. That way the microphone works. If you want to use it as a regular headphone, you can use output stereo, analog stereo output, but we'll have to keep it in duplex. When you do that, then your input device here, you can see that it works, and I find about 50% sensitivity seems to work the best. Output is a headphone which is plugged in, and so right now it's letting me know that I'm using simple screen recorder to record this, and that's pretty much all you have to do just to get this working as a headset with the microphone function.